Today, I'm going to take you through a 20-minute beginner calisthenics workout that you can do at home with me as a follow-along using absolutely no equipment. We're going to kick things off with a brief bodyweight warm-up consisting of 4 exercises, 40 seconds each for 1 round. First up, we're going to do some single-leg alternating Romanian deadlifts. Let's get moving. Hinge at your hips on one leg. Keep your back toe pointing down towards the floor. This stops your hips from twisting. You can keep a slight bend in your standing knee. Feel that nice stretch in the hamstrings and keep alternating legs. Don't worry if you wobble a bit. That is perfectly normal. Next exercise, wrist circles. Clasp your hands together and roll your wrists. We'll do 20 seconds one way, then switch. Warming up the wrists is crucial for calisthenics, since we'll be in a push-up position soon. Switch direction, circle them the other way now. Moving on to Kang squats. This is a mix of a good morning and a squat. Follow me. Hinge forward at the hips, drop down into a deep squat, raise the hips back up, and stand tall. Hinge, squat, hips up, chest up. This opens up the hips and warms up the posterior chain. Last warm-up move, angel mobility. Hands behind your back, squeeze your elbows together. Now bring them all the way up over your head in a big circle. And circle back around behind your back. Focus on opening the chest and pinching those shoulder blades together. Let's get into the main part of the workout now. We'll do 5 exercises, 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off for 3 rounds total, starting with a narrow stance split squats. You're going to start with your left foot forwards and your right foot just behind. Bring your feet close together, one slightly behind the other like a kickstand. You want your toe to be in contact with the floor on the back foot, and then we want your heel and front of your foot in contact on the front left foot. We're going to treat it like a single leg squat for this front leg, and we're going to do a little bit of back leg assistance. We are going to do 20 seconds with our feet this way around, and then we'll switch straight away to the other way. Switch legs. Quickly swap sides. Keep that heel grounded on the front foot. We are down on the floor for negative push-ups. Start in a full high plank position. Lower yourself slowly and with control all the way to the floor. Once you hit the bottom, drop your knees to reset back to the top. We are focusing purely on the lowering phase here. Keep your core tight and body in a straight line. Flip over to a seated position. Alternating compressions. Legs straight out, point the toes, hands reaching forward. Lift one leg at a time, squeezing your abs. Try your best not to lean back. Keep your chest proud and spine tall. It's a small movement, but you should really feel this in your core and quads. Up on your feet. Take a nice wide stance for Cossack lunges. Shift your weight to one side, squatting deep while keeping the other leg straight. Keep the heel of the bending leg flat on the floor. Push back to center and go to the other side. Last move of round 1. Half hollow hold. Lie on your back. Tuck your knees to your chest. Now, extend one leg out and reach your arms overhead. Crucial point, press your lower back firmly into the mat. If your back arches, lift your leg higher. We'll switch legs at the 20 seconds mark. Breathe through the tension. Let's switch legs. And relax. That is round 1 done. Grab a sip of water if you need it. Round 2. Let's refine the movement. Back to the narrow split squats. Focus on keeping that back knee close to the ground but not touching. Switch legs. Negative push-ups. Check your elbow position. If you look from above, your body should look like an arrow, not the letter T. compressions. As you get tired, don't let your posture collapse. Keep reaching forward. Every millimeter counts. Cossack lunges. Try to sink a little deeper this round. Keep that straight leg locked out. Only go as deep as your mobility allows. Half hollow hold. Glue that lower back to the floor. If you're shaking, it's working. Switch sides. Final round. This is where the change happens. Let's empty the tank. Narrow split squats. Last time, let's finish strong. Switch sides. Last set of negative push-ups. Do not speed up. Resist gravity on the way down. Make the last rep look as good as the first one. Back to seated compressions. Fight the urge to lean back as your core gets tired. Stay tall, keep your knees locked, and really squeeze your quads to lift those feet off the floor. Calisthenics lunges. Smooth transitions from side to side. Stay low if you can. Final move, half hollow hold. Remember to switch legs halfway through. Let's hold it. Engage the core. Switch legs now. Last 20 seconds. Don't drop. Hold it. In time. Amazing work today. You just crushed a full body workout with zero equipment. Make sure to cool down and stretch those hips and wrists. If you enjoyed this session, hit the like button and subscribe for more workouts. See you in the next video.